Oh yes! Street food never stop. Crazy, crazy street food again. We in Mannings Hill. We in Mannings Hill with the far up in the hills. Crazy, crazy vibes. What a popular hot spot here for food. They do breakfast, go straight up to lunch. And we hear say some stew pork there upon the menu. Today I was saying no man, we have to pass through. We just pass through and we see a bag of pot upon the fire. Breakfast and share out. Soup start already. It's just crazy and the place smells so good. And we never even start yet. Crazy, crazy vibes here in Mannings Hill. Them call it a hungry town. Right in the middle of Mannings Hill, man. Crazy, crazy. A bag of, you can't miss a bag of landmarks, chicken and things, and a bag of top place there in the area. So you can't miss. But right at this little spot over there, so a bag of food cook daily. Crazy, crazy vibes. And today, some bag of things that got up on the menu. Jerk chicken and crazy, crazy stuff. And we're here for the food, so yard life. You don't know the thing. Crazy food vibes. Yeah, man.
The curry goat already start fire coming out overdone.
Whoa.
Right? I don't want that overdone, so I'm just taking a market final season.
Right.
Cool. So that just did it so.
Why that smell good and in a season, the partner season yet?
In a done season.
Jesus, peace.
Alright, so this is a brown stew fish.
Wow.
This is cow peas, rice and peas.
Hold on, cow peas?
Cow peas, rice and peas.
One day?
You know the long peas, my whole time is oh yes man. Downtown they get it straight.
Whoa.
Cool.
Whoa.
Right? Just
Whoa.
go in.
Just go in. So that I go and cook on Starford.
Starford.
Wow.
Right?
Natural vibes.
Alright, so I work with stew pork, curry goat, jerk chicken, gungo beef with chicken foot.
Hold on.
Soup.
So gungo pea soup.
Yeah.
Why not? You know, long me drink some gungo soup. Every soup me I drink now I be a real round red. They then call it round red. You know, long me drink some gungo. Oh my god. Wow.
Beef and chicken foot tonight.
Beef and chicken foot tonight. Wow. I will see the pork out there. I want to see that pork pot. The pork pot that smell good. You smell it from a mile away, people. Crazy, crazy vibes. I can see what I go on the pork pot. Natural vibes.
You want them test mine? Alright.
Oh yeah. Wow. You're right on the street side. Right on the street side. Crazy, crazy pork in a pot. Look at that, man. Jesus.
Well pepper, well seasoned, blend seasoning.
Blend seasoning.
Seasoning.
A lot of
Pepper.
Realize there's a girl that use up a ground seasoning.
Ground seasoning, mostly. You dip on the cold fire, so it have a smoke flavor there.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
This now, gungo rice and gungo.
Wow.
Red gungo soup.
Alright.
Beef, chicken.
Natural.
This almost ready.
This almost ready.
I put in the dumpling and the food and
Spinners. Wow. Dumpling. Not spinners.
That's spinners. Two of them.
Alright. You can call it so. Wow. Natural.
And I eat that.
Boy, gungo soup pot there, bubble on the fire, the pork smell good. Man, jeez, these crazy, crazy vibes here in Mannings Hill Rd, man. Natural vibes, we hear that. Stew pork I got up on the menu. I already see some curry goat in there going, baby long and thing. Natural vibes. Grilled chicken I got there. It's just crazy. And we're there here to eat some food. Mannings Hill Rd, right in the square. Right in the square. The chicken and things are right over there, so it's just crazy when you can't last us forward in the square. Right at the little spot. Crazy breakfast, crazy lunch. Yeah man, natural vibes. Famous
right. Right now, they never compete with me with the Speed Reddings Road.
Listen,
I'm feeling this is the top thing right now.
Whoa.
Right. So everything seasoned from last night. Goat season last night, pork season last night, fish season last, everything season from last night.
This is going to be good. Yes man, natural vibes.
See? And there's
so you say you have
enough grown products.
Yeah,
I have some right there, so wash and everything already.
Oh, so the man, alright, so you have a season up there.
Season this and show
natural vibes.
you don't give a year and everything, because you say you want help out and everything, so make sure that's why I get this.
What you say I make help out in the cooking?
You say I can help out, boss, so make sure I do some. So it's just 10 piece. For early vibes,
yeah.
And this I feel like later on in the day.
Wow.
Right? So, but me and you gonna do this.
Wait, so me and you do that one?
Me and you do that one.
Alright. So, that is some live coal in the fresh coal, so you know, say that's how Jamaican catch coal fire. Natural vibes. Live coal in a fresh coal and wow. Ketchup. And some chicken and grill. Yeah man.
No, that's little bit too. Alright, no, look at the You know, you have to keep the sharing. Yeah, I'm getting
One like how the spice are going off my nose.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Everything for the soup. It's like the chicken foot, breadfruit, dashi, cocoa.
All of them have to be
Sweet
soup.
all of them for the soup. So I go outside now, put them in and then put the dumpling same time.
Right.
And then just leg them down and I in there.
Wow. Yo, the chicken them look so good over here, so, and food stuff are going out the pot outside, and we are follow the chef go outside. Mama Tracy, crazy. We are go outside right now, because we are going to the super. Yeah.
Dangerous. See it? Already look like a pot all too small.
Wow.
Just shelly and everything.
Wow. Them chicken food a big though.
Yeah, man.
Are you raise a chicken them?
No, man. They don't like the piece one, you know.
Hey.
They don't really like the American style one.
Wow. The original yard thing.
Yeah, they don't like the KSA food. They don't have the bottom part and the real chicken foot. That's what the American say. This have been garlic, scallion and pepper already.
All of them.
That already.
Wow.
That means
So
when you taste piece of beef, it don't have flavor.
Wow.
Don't have
So
flavor.
the whole pot flavor full already.
Flavor already.
Wow.
My grandmother teach me that she say when you cook soup, make sure you cook soup. My sister, if somebody can want something warm, you can get it. Maybe some broth. So I practice that. So once I start putting nothing well seasoned, say if you want to hot water, you can taste it right now.
Wow.
You can drink like a ready.
Wow. Can drink it like a pot water.
Ready.
Wow.
Nice and then everything.
Yo, the words of a real chef. Yeah, man, I play with Mama Tracy, man. Crazy vibes here in Mannings Hill. Pot look good on the coal fire. Anyway, the coal fire, them I tell us, say, it come like it give the food different flavor, man. Oh, yes, man.
Check in on the pork.
Oh, yes. Just check in on the pork. Pork a bubble over there. Jesus. Yes, man. Crazy food vibes. Mannings Hill. Yes. Boy, fish them already turn already and cool up. Fish them look cool in the pot. Oh, yes. Oh, your daughter?
Yeah. What?
I too big chef today, you know. Oh yes, and them said they might give me some work today, so now I'm gonna see me season up some chicken. I reckon season up some of the chicken. Oh yes, crazy vibes. Yes man, anybody eat there, we love it. This is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. So
this is my door for my thing.
So outside.
Outside
Wow.
again.
Wow.
One time, very nice. Okay, I'm going to please camera them to people. Him tester them, but I like them. Ooh, team testers. Like, I like them. By the excess. Remember, you don't want too much of this now. Just want it enough to boil and just keep it bubbling.
Wow.
Don't want it over them because it's easy to burn. Remember, I said cabin the food and so it's easy to burn. You don't want the high fire under it.
Wow. For real.
You want a regular fire under it.
For real.
Just
So just
make
tap him up
everything
little.
tap him up little.
That is
and
it.
similar, make sure take where that ear can go up.
Oh.
It's always have a fire. Because once that cooking, it can kill the fire.
Wow.
Don't want to want on a regular fire, good on it.
And a ramp with a female where you say an angle or coal fire, so you know, don't play with her, you know. Crazy vibes there, man, with Tracy, man. Natural vibes, coal fire style here in Mannings Hill. One big pot of gungo soup with chicken foot and beef.
See that now?
Yes,
That's
man.
enough. No more than that.
Yeah, man.
Nice and
Take care of money.
yeah.
Yes.
Just there so I can
Yes.
nice and easy.
Yes.
Have it done. No, order. Have it done, work it done. They add them. Try them for. You can try them to use them to do things. No more than that. Nice and easy.
Nice and
Yo, them fish smell good. Still more. Oh. I see it from last night.
Whoa. Yo, these fish smell so good. Oh my God.
Right now, just chicken alone, I'm not going to mix it. You see it all later, you take all the late your TV. I said, no, man, I want to see it.
Oh yes. Wow.
Right? I said, oh yes, I want to see it. So well clean up every damn thing here. Cut under the arm. Slice it.
Professionally done.
Yeah, you have to do that. I'll show you how to do it and get it to the bone. Right, so it's seasoned, clean, you know. Some people at restaurant they go and everything and we don't want them stuff there. Everything to clean out, all cuttings and all them extra fatting they gone. And you can't strip it because if you put on the grill and it's stripped, it'll just dry out. The skin of what keep the moisture, you know. One of the most important things about your chicken. Alright? So we don't wash it off already, but we still have to get a second one.
So we have to season up some chicken right now. First time on yard line. We're in at the restaurant and we have to do some work before we eat some food. Crazy vibes, yeah?
Nice and easy.
Alright, so we're actually in at the kitchen.
Yeah.
And we have to do
Watch
some
your
work.
water,
Crazy vibes. Yeah man, watch good man. Pretty scary.
Alright, we're gonna get Alex coming over. You say the crisp but I'm clean up.
You have nothing to me there? Morning.
You know, no, baby. I've kept it here, but I'm not going to do it.
Alright.
Did I drink minute in? I could. Oh. Alright, so one, this is not so big. Two more pieces over there. Well. This idea in the part, you have on gloves, but. So mix the green with the orange.
Alright, let's see that. Yard life are elbows in the kitchen before we eat some food.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Look on the work.
Alright, yeah.
That is the word.
Yeah.
Natural vibes. If me ever go at that speed, all of my finger them cut off.
So you come cook some, make sure make you get into the cooking. Alright, so it's all light. Well, right here. It's fresh and nice. Smells good. Like cook already. Alright.
All of this up for the chicken.
Right. Pimento, pepper seed, everything already well blended. Make my own turkey seed sauce right now.
Oh,
so
yes.
this is it. Use like a cup and a real do make it, you know. All people style.
Naturally.
Right? That. No original Maggi seasoning straight. That.
Wow, this chicken looks so pretty though, man. Whoa.
I use the hand and massage it.
So use the hand and massage it. Wow.
Squeeze it and get all the juice and flavors out. So this, you know, let's not have no water on it. Now do it, not just a put it, just a squeeze it. So squeeze the scallion and the pepper and everything. Squeeze it. Start smell it. Start smell it.
Why just the bursting flavor from only that? Just imagine how the chicken I got taste when that go on the chicken. Oh my god, just smell this through the screen. When it just smells.
See it? You squeeze, see it? Ah, ready now for chicken.
Wow.
Ready now. You need to get your gloves.
Wow.
Put on your gloves and come and show you.
So we have to show that in our chicken.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yard life in for the cooking today. Mannings Hill. Crazy vibes.
Juicy. See, remember it dry?
Wow.
I'm gonna add no water to it.
That are the squeezing when you give.
Just a squeezing. Alright, so you get your chicken, you know. Like me use a leg, you use a breast, right? Just rub him all over. Rub him all over, rub him all over. And this has been everything now. We know it's gonna add no salt to it. All the seasoning them already add enough salt. So no salt to the add it. Don't know that man. Alright, so like your finger, you know, come around. Like how you use the breast. Put out some seasoning and push it right tonight. Get in tonight. Then go right through, so you don't just have it just flat. Right? Take all the fat part out, so just open and put your seasoning down tonight. What you can't tell, say just season.
Oh my god.
Season well.
Wow.
It's like the leg, you call the
Crazy.
skin.
This is so crazy. We're learning something new today. Wow, wicked jerk chicken pipes.
Not for you. We don't use beer. You can use it if you want, but we not for use that.
Not
Or
for
the
use that.
regular, just authentic style. Regular jerk season.
Oh. Whoa.
Rubble your wing.
Whoa.
Yeah, right there. So that proper. Everything seasoned well through, right through. Everything nice and easy, so you can see the seasoning under the skin.
Yo,
Yeah,
so as I was there seasoning up the chicken, the battery knife at the camera, so did I get to see me? I season up the second piece, but crazy. This is something new to the channel. We actually forward, and the chef say, yo, get your hands dirty, and we actually get our hands dirty. I nearly cut off my finger with the skeleton still, but yo, look on this finished product. Literally look on this. We see this from start to finish. Just look on this. Whoa. Whoa, this is something different. I hope you guys appreciate that we actually get hands dirty in the kitchen for the first hand. Oh my god, this chicken looks so good. This chicken looks so good, man. Yes, man. Outside, go see what, man. I said the wickedest thing.
Yeah, man. You can't shoot the cat, but they see cat. Everybody boy know the cat. No, man. No.
What is it?
Talk with the menu side and thing.
I say everybody know that guy.
Everybody know that cat. Everybody know that cat.
I have the
all
food.
own because our season, the season them what she use, and like the same season that I use at work. And a lot of people use the bulk season, and it the work out for me.
No, whoa.
Everything what she cook, always good.
Whoa. Natural. Crazy. Respect, bro. Yo, why the people them just talk so good about the food, man? Jeez,
No, Marie, no, wrong one. The one that one we just
I
season.
want to just season up.
Yeah.
Oh. So some jerk chicken actually I gotta go up on the grill now. It's sweet. Yo, that chicken look like it can actually eat right there. So just the color of it, and oh my god, and somebody go up on the grill right now. Look on that, man.
What kind of soup?
And spinners right now are going at the gungo soup pot. Wow. Boy, as that go up on the grill, that little burn smell where it get, that little burn, so just because the grill hot, you know that little smell where it get as it touch the grill. Oh my god, smells so good already. And yes man, look pretty. Lock him down there. Yes man. Nice.
Put 8 pan, take off 2 things. You know why? Because it's gonna kill the fire. Too much. Remember, say kind of cold, so pull it. So make some dumpling now, so I make it roll
Spinners. So I said spinners and dumpling.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Make it roll
You
up.
can just imagine how that pot of soup you got taste, man. Jeez, peace, got the smell where you get already. Yes, man.
People don't really want a dumpling these days, they must want soup and meat.
Soup and meat.
Yeah.
I know Jamaicans love them meat.
Love meat.
Oh yes.
And see how much meat like beef and chicken foot.
Wow.
There? Oh, we change today, man. It's a good change, I want to tell you. Whatever now. Breathe up. Yeah. Turn all that, man. salt in the piece. Famous pork.
Color kitchen now. Yes, now see it now, man. Oh yes. You like what's some of that pork here? Jesus. Wow, I have to eat some of this pork today. Let me tell you, Trenton is one of the most consumed meat in Jamaica. Let me tell you that. Better believe that. A lot of people might have talked down from pork, but people eat pork more than anything in Jamaica. Crazy, and this looks so good. Yes, man, this looks so good. Brown suit, Trenton. Yeah, man.
We cut up everything. For the rice, for the soup, I cut them up because we know we have to take out this long thing out of it. I don't like that style, so we just cut them.
So what you put in now come back out?
Now come back out. You cut out, just eat that because it's a milk in your mouth.
What's the piece name again?
Cow peas.
Cow peas.
Yeah.
And that's pretty easier to cook than
easier to cook than
the regular round red.
If you can look at the colour now, look at the colour there. Coconut milk added, pepper added.
Whoa.
You see the colour?
Yes. Whoa.
See the colour like round red?
Whoa.
Red and pretty, just the same. No, nothing added. All added coconut milk, little butter, this is scallion and salt, that's it. No powder seasoning added. All the powder seasoning is salt.
Whoa.
Yeah.
When you hear that, natural cooking of one in some crazy vibe. Yo, the aroma, the smell so good. Everything just smell up the place right about now. Cheese, peas, butter rice and pizza looks so good.
See, your jerk chicken now must be on a slow fire. Smoke. Smoke in one. Give the flavor. Enhance the flavor to your use and seasoning. So don't burn too quick, just there smoke and get a little aroma there. Nice and easy.
Yes. Well, I love the smell of this. I love the smell of this already.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Stay on the slow. Right to touch.
Yo, what I'm getting from this, when you're biting a piece of that chicken, you actually taste the scallion, you taste everything, you actually bite into the seasoning, and not just the flavor. Not just the flavor, but you actually bite into the seasoning itself. And wow, can't wait to dig in a piece of that chicken. Yeah, man. Mannings Hill vibes. Crazy Kingston cooking. Street side cooking. Yeah, man.
For now, until we just get it all bubbling.
So it's the last dose of the nice soup.
Unless we taste it, I still want a little.
I still want a little red.
Just great.
Yeah. Whoa.
But I know that all coconut milk.
Yo, this pretty one.
Everything.
Whoa. Man. Whoa. Boy, the soup water looks so pretty. Everything I go in right about now. The final touches that add to it, you know, the coconut milk. More seasonings and all of them things there. Actually, to top up the taste of that. Baked chicken a go on. Jerk chicken a go on. The pork pot there so go on. Curry goat pot not fully beveled down yet. Some more stuff to add to that, and we're about to see all of them things. It's just crazy, and the soup pot looking so good. Yes, man. Natural, cold stove vibes here in Mannings Hill. Wow.
Right. What? They've juggled water.
Oh, pork pot time. Trenton. Whoa.
Then you have to go make him taste it.
This smell. Jeez. Yo, the smell. The pot cover here lift up on the smell. Man. Oh, yes. Whoa. Oh my God.
That's great.
You know, realize you don't cook with a lot of water.
No.
Whoa. This Trenton have me away right now. The pork have me away. Yeah, man, I have to taste some of the pork here today. I have to get some of this stewed pork. This looking so good. The color and the texture look so mellow and jello. Yeah, man.
Whenever they are close.
Well, I'm telling you already, you know, you see a lady will cook on coal fire. You don't play with her. You don't play with them type of lady they want to see. You say the fire right. You say the fire right. Not more night.
I don't know how this final season.
Final touch. Wow. Can't wait to eat some of this. Oh, man. Big up Chef Tracy every time, man. Yo, man, I tell you, she not play when it comes to them type of cooking. Yo, man, I tell you, so the pork smells so good and the soup water, she just deal with it like, wow, pro at that. Yes, man.
Alright. See it? Ooh.
Man, golden. Whoa. And them are not done it. Them are not soaked yet, you know. Them are not soaked fully yet, you know. Yo, golden. Golden, I actually see. We actually get to season some of that chicken here and look on the outcome right now, and this just take time I go and soak under the heat because the trick is no fire, just heat, soak right through that and all of that juice and wow. We actually anticipate, you know, Tracy, we actually anticipate the texture of the seasons itself, you know, because
No breakfast, darling.
normally it's just the juice you get from the seasonings when you actually eat them thing, but this actually, the seasonings actually dip on it.
Yeah.
So you got to taste that. Wow, can't wait. Get some goodies. Wow. It's a butter bean at the right one to use.
You like Alaska butter bean.
Well, some people is bread bean or normally
Look
butter
for the
bean.
same thing.
The same thing.
I will. I think I one of the each, because that my dad do. One of each. But then it not the Alaska one firm, you know, mash out. So me like
No man, I'm talking about the butter bean or the bread bean.
me use
Butter.
the Alaska one is firmer than the rest. The rest of them always mushy. So they are normal
Hold on,
bread
so you
bean.
use. Oh,
Butter bean.
okay.
It now mash out. You know, it's firm. It come like it. The one with the regular one with a buy and just pressure.
Yeah.
Well, the one who buy a town and just pressure. So this one have the same texture. It don't mash out so easy.
Okay. So butter bean better for use than bread bean. Are you would say? Anyone better?
Any one of them.
It really matter.
Anyway, you choose.
Oh, bread bean normally have a
Harder.
tougher texture.
Harder. Stay longer. But the Alaska one, the Alaska butter bean and the Alaska bread bean are basically the same texture to me.
Oh.
To me. Me
Okay,
try two of them, but I like the brand here.
No, we understand. Yes.
Yeah, I like.
My man, pork patty are coming on so good. Oh.
No, just like it, this is just the color. Mushroom sauce.
Oh, that's mushroom sauce.
Yeah. Chinese sauce.
Yes. So that smell good, man. Cheese. Oh my God. Why them say me hype up the pork pot, but if them would have ever know, this smells so good in real life, man. We can't wait to taste piece of this. We are hype it up. We are hype it up for real, and we can't wait to taste some of this. Really.
Right now.
Wait, so we are gonna taste. We are gonna taste a little piece right now. Oh yes. Oh
Right now.
yes. Oh. Yes, so I get a little piece of the pork to taste. Yeah, man. Oh,
Ready?
God. Is that ready? Oh, yes. Oh. Super. Down here now. Yeah, man. Crazy vibes, man. I have to taste piece of the pork there because them say we hype up the pork, but man, can't wait to taste piece of this coming up right now. Wow, respect. Oh, yes. Oh, get piece of the pork with this. Oh, I can sample the pot. And it done it. Man. Hi. Oi. Hey. Why them say me hype up the pot, but me hype it up for a good reason. Man. Cheese and peas. Cheese and peas. Cheese. Cheese. And the pork pot and I done it. I just under eat it one go and bubble long and circle. Oh my God, man. Wow. We need another dose of this. We want the rightful amount. Crazy vibes, man. Yes, man. We don't have to come and so come get the pork. When you normally have pork? Fridays. Are just Fridays alone at the pork?
General, ask them what they have in the can eat.
What you have in the can eat? Them a check. Yo, but the pork, oh my God. When you need to come taste this pork is something different. Yo, the texture of that, the skin part just literally just a bubble on your tongue. And yo, crazy man. Cheese and peas. Camera now do them color and justice at all.
No, in
wow. But the color in real life, I tell you. Come like say camera and now pick up the color in real life. Cheese and peas. Golden. Wow. Yeah, man, jerk chicken I go and soak down now. We just taste a piece of the pork. The curry goat pot I go get some more stuff in it for, you know, give the body and flavor it up some more and thing. I tell you that pork pot is dangerous. Dangerous pork pot, this. Me will take up this and run with this. Yeah man, me will take up the pot there and run with it. Dangerous pork pot and the jerk chicken over there, so I go and take time, bubble down under the heat. Yeah man, crazy natural Jamaican cooking on the street side and also inside. It's just natural cooking, authentic cooking. Now they have to take in most of that. So, you know where it go. Mannings Hill, right in the square. Chicken things are right there, so supermarket over there, so it's just a big wide area. You can't last this little spot right here, so crazy blue spot. Blue color spot with brown door, you can't hide. Just come here, so, and me I tell you now I get some good authentic food. Natural vibes.
Can serve.
Rice
Ready
and
to
peas.
eat.
Done.
Ready. Shelly, nuts.
And tell him what kind of peas they use.
I tell him ready man.
Yeah man.
Cow peas,
Original
rice
cow
and
peas. Some goat this over here, so.
Irish nights, seasonal pepper powder, so blend down right now.
Nice.
You get a spoon and stir. You see?
Today our Friday.
Friday.
About Tuesday, Wednesday, we can look up things on YouTube.
Yeah.
Ask Tracy.
So the rice and peas finished. The goat basically a baby long right now. The pork up on the fire a baby long right now. Jerk chicken soon come off right now. Everything I take that right now. I feel so good because everything I take time done now. And the fish right now, they know that I go. Them they done boiling up and fried down in the oil. So right now, some seasons are going into the pot. Then they are go and cook down and thing. Fish are going to add to that. Look on this.
Not a lot of oil, just enough. Chicago. Come up real high. Then you can start here.
Chicken ready and now. Take out the outside.
Yes, Lord. Whoa. Boy, them jerk chicken look good, man. So some of them want soap. Whoa. These look so good. Yes,
A bit more.
nice. Why them pieces turn up this up?
Shelly.
Jesus. I'm going to get one other name. Shelly. Shelly rice and peas. Bro, this looks so beautiful.
Right. Brown stew fish.
Goat over here, so.
Curry goat.
Cheese and peas. Oh, what is that one?
Vegetables, steamed veg.
Oh, yes.
Alright. Everything in order. Anybody can come right now, can get them food.
Wow.
Ready. Raw vegetables here, raw vegetables.
Oh, yes.
We have some pasta ready.
Natural vibes and feet and some of the jerk chicken ready.
Jerk
Some of the
chicken
jerk board. Whoa. It's just crazy, man.
Pasta.
Crazy, crazy vibes. Pasta? Whoa. 5-star. Yeah, some 5-star style, man. 5-star street. Hey, crazy, crazy vibes. We're in Mannings Hill, man, and we can't wait to eat some of the food that's just natural and jerk that's stew pork there. And that take time bubble up.
Hey,
we are gonna eat some of that. Yeah, man, we want some of that pork there. Natural vibes. Yes, man. Yeah, let's everything I take time come along now.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So the first batch of jerk chicken come off well pretty and golden and some more gone soak, you know. Yes man, soup pot basically I finish up right now. Pork pot basically I finish up now. Curry goat pot basically I finish now. We see the fish them in there. Everything just looks so beautiful and nice and oh my god man. Can't wait to taste some food. Yeah man, soup, that soup pot there. Yeah man, I have to drink some soup today. I have to drink some of that soup.
I have none at all. So if you have few, show me like the fine half, you just like put a little dash.
Extra. My sister, I love you is a whole heap of seasoning. Nothing wrong with that, you know?
I love you in the seasoning.
Love.
So you see that now?
I love the fact that I love your fresh seasoning.
Love my fresh seasoning.
All when it's super done, you want to eat.
Done.
Oh yes.
See then, you can serve. You want a sample it?
Right out.
Alright.
Whoa. Oh yes.
You can serve it.
Oh yes.
You have to taste that today, you know, right now, yeah.
Where's the other taste that today?
Yeah.
Hey, it's just crazy. I like how she go to work. You want a taste of this? Right away. Yes, man.
Everything. Right, this.
Yes, man.
Chicken food one.
Natural price. Natural. Respect.
Right, so we get us. Taste man, tell me, two salad. Favorite pot, yeah?
See, every day, man.
Your favorite pot, yeah?
Oh,
I serve all this now because all our customer come for this right now.
So customer, let them smell it from far.
So
Ready for it.
Right now.
So they might come to this.
Right now.
Yes. Oh, yes. Wow. Yeah, this looks so good, man.
So good.
This looks so good.
And other than that, the pork lover should there right now.
Hey. Whoa. Yo, natural vibes, man. One of the big chef them there too. One of the top chef in the place and she and her mother go and have this this pork looks so good. Yeah man. Natural vibes. It's actually lunchtime and the whole of the consumer them actually start smell the food from far now. So everybody has to eat them order. Right now it's just crazy food vibes here in Mannings Hill. I'm gonna see some of the pork and done with on this. Happy when you left yourself. Yeah man, your belly feel happy when you left yourself. Crazy. Yeah, can no mixture now go on.
No mixture now go on.
Wow.
None. Nice and easy. Just like that. No one taste the curry goat.
Wow.
Go and get taste the curry goat.
Original Jamaican vibes. We just walk across the road and we'll find a little spot and here is some soup. Original. Yo, this soup that smells so good. We just at the end of the soup basically finished, and at the end we see some more fresh seasoning. Just add to that some scallion and thing cut up right in the pot. She love our fresh ground seasoning. And we can see some chicken foot right there, so I stick out and actually beef in the pot. Wow, that burn off my finger, but we are go down in this one, no yard life. Wow, right away. We are chop a piece of pimento right now. Wow, the flavor we are bust out of that pimento there. That enough is spit out. Oh. Oh man. The crunchiness where I get from all of this first season what add to it just now. I may get call over there. More food? More? See, we plate the food over there, so we I get call feed right now on this. Oh, the soup. Oh my god. Whoa. We can't stop drinking that soup. Whoa. Crazy vibes, man. Look on that plate, yeah. Whoa. Jeez and peas. Woo. So we get a little touch of the pork, get a little touch of the curry goat, jerk chicken, see all of the pasta there. Yo, everything just right, and we are gonna mash down that right about now. But the soup man. Jeez, them fresh season the way add to the end. Just give me that little crunch on my bite. When you bite in them, yo, jeez, God man. When I find this spot, crazy, Mannings Hill Rd. I gotta eat some food right now. Woo! Crazy vibes, just find a little spot on a nice little tree restaurant right over there. So nice little vibes right there. So whoa, crazy. This is a Jamaican vibe. Right in this wagon right now. Could wait for taste the pork here. Oh my god, we actually taste some of it already, and I tell you say it will be in a wait pan. First thing we're gonna take a taste out again, the pork. Wow. Yo, the flavor we have. Jeez, sweet. Actually taste some oh yeah, raisin. And this soup I go with a bag of things tonight. Get some of the beef. When you don't watch it, why is the same part? Melt. Oh, I'm going at the curry goat. The chef say, yo, you taste everything. And she say, I get a tat of the curry goat. And I say, go on the road. This jerk chicken. Oh yeah, you can actually see the scallion. You can see the things them actually in it. If you look good at it, and them actually dip on the skin also. Yes man.
go back in the pork. Yeah. This pork was so good. Oh my God. Come I see the pork in the pot. I've been a lay with it. Come and say, yes man. This are the vibe. Some butter bean, top it all off. Add to the body of that. Whoa. Right now more. The flavor and the texture. Yeah, the pork done. The pork done. The pork done from out of the plate. Oh my God. This is the vibe. Crazy, authentic vibe. Crazy, authentic cooking. Crazy, authentic taste. Mannings Hill, just find this little spot. You can't miss. Actually, a bag of landmarks there right around this spot. Pizza out the right over there, so crazy chicken and things right there, so it's just surrounded by a lot of landmarks, and let me tell you. This right now basically finished. And we are going to scrape out the plate. But you don't know the vibes, yard life vibes. The soup, not done it, but we are going to do this. Eating, may I tell you, yo, that pork stand out the most. The pork literally stand out the most. It's like when it knows there's something different about that pork. Yeah, we are go back in the kitchen. Cheers. Hold on, what do you say I go on with?
Turn cornmeal. Like
It's a ton cornmeal too.
yes, sir. Friday menu up, man.
Oh, so, yo, this pork. No, sir.
Friday menu African.
Man, may I tell you, yo, the people them need to find this spot. Them need to find this spot. But we are tell them say that they're far. Right in the town.
Right in the Mannings Hill Rd. Once you reach Ruby's as a landmark and Pizza Hut as a landmark, you can't miss it. Come straight down. Chicken and things there on the
so them can't miss.
Chicken and things there on the right coming down from Pizza Hut. And we are the first blue shop right on the left.
Whoa.
Left? Yeah.
It's been a vibe,
Tracy.
man. Crazy vibe. The food
Nice.
wicked. Food
Grandma
wicked.
style.
Grandma style. Yo, we love that.
Grandma
we love that.
style.
Cause that have something to do with the food,
Yeah,
so we
man,
love
the
that.
grandma flavors, man.
Can't get rid of that.
Can't get rid of my grandmother thing, man.
Whoa, wicked,
Yeah,
man.
man.
I go out some ton cornmeal.
Turn cornmeal.
Whoa, blessings. I
Alright,
tell you.
thanks, Abel.
Oh God, man. Blessings, man. Yo, the food wicked, that pork there. Wicked enough to come and come taste some of that pork there. I tell you, and you won't be disappointed. Yard life good. Don't come here.
Turn cornmeal.
Wow.
Just taste that.
Even after all of that food, that pork, that jerk chicken, everything, I tell you, we still are going to some ton cornmeal and we are going to taste this.
Yes,
Yeah,
no.
promise to dash.
Still up on the fire.
This is me, father. You want not your father, you need to kill me.
Hold on.
Come back, sir.
Hold on.
You need that.
I condensed milk, I put in this. Jesus, the sweet man, nice. No, sir. No, man. One little more of this. Oh, God. Whoa. The ton cornmeal. Jeez, yo, this tastes like, this bring me back to baby days. Only I can eat the baby feeding. Jeez, God, man. Yes, man. Yo, that don't come in wicked. But just going on some pork and some curry goat and some jerk chicken and beer things and yo, the ton come in, gone back in some. And it not done it. The flavor.
You want to go and stay now? Talk to me.
Come here, baby.
I have to find a spot.
You go and talk to me now.
Wow. All of that green teas and that mixed with the tea just.
Get him the phone that I can talk.
Oh.
Good, thanks.
Wow.
No, thank you.
This is a bite.
You just say one lad.